like mileage. Mileage happens on the handling. I mean, it depends on the handling of a vehicle. No matter which vehicle you are riding, doesn't matter. So if you, I mean, plain and simple thing, if you want mileage, be easy on the throttle. You should get the optimum mileage out of that vehicle, devoid of the CC. And the two contradicting questions that people often ask. First, they will ask, is this bike for high speeds? Kitna bhagti hai? How fast does it go? So I say this can go, I mean, some people have touched 160 and all that. My personal top was 144. I never pushed it beyond that because I never felt the need and urge to. Now the very next question, almost, or eventually you can say, they ask that kitna deti hai? I mean, bhaga hue to mileage kaise degi bhai? थोड़ा सा तो दिमाग लगा करो पूछने से पहले. And another thing that I just can't understand is the way YouTube is functioning these days, because channels with zero content, or when I say zero content, not the like the volume of content, I mean to say there is nothing creative in that content. I mean, absolutely nothing that one should even subscribe to that channel. But then again, I see those channels getting huge volumes of subscriptions and all those contents that ideally, I mean, being as an audience, if I place myself as an audience, I would have never subscribed or like paid attention to those channels and their content. But then again, I get surprised that these channels have so many views and likes, because I personally know that how much effort I have put in, and I constantly put in, I mean, behind each of my videos. Victim of some crash or accident. Look at that, man. Yeah, so coming back to the YouTube thingy. Now, when it comes to my videos, even a small daily observation video or like a small review video, whatever it is, or a travel video, if I talk about myself, I spend a hell lot of time in editing the video, in choosing the right music. But then again, with the number of effort that I have put in, I do not see the desired outcome, and I have no idea why. It's true that I don't go by the usual thing that people love to watch, like super bikes, hot chicks, maybe both. But yeah, from time to time I keep posting content that can help others. But then again, somehow I do not see that volume of growth in my channel. Now, it's not that I am very disheartened or demotivated. I'm still okay with the number of subscribers that I have, because I believe that slow and steady wins the race. That is the philosophy I've been working with, I have been following in my life, in my motovlogging, everything. Then again, when I see those crappy channels getting so much of attention and hype and all that, that's when it makes me think that where am I going wrong? Should I also like beg, borrow, steal and go for, I mean, super bikes, or shall I just stick the way I am doing it? Suggest me. I mean, if it is a creative suggestion, if it is a positive suggestion, I will definitely work on that and hope to improve. Yeah, also another easy way of getting your channel from zero to hero is by getting hold of famous motovloggers who are all very famous for XYZ reasons, and then asking them or getting a shout out from them, and then your channel boom goes from 500 to 5,000. It happened with certain Indian motovloggers. I'm not taking names. Oh man, it's so hot.